Hello everyone, welcome to Programming with Alice. I'm Ali, a senior software developer based in Frankfurt. In this video, I want to talk about what is programming. Programming is instructing computers to perform tasks. These tasks could be a simple math or autopilot cars. Now you can see the most popular programming languages in 2024. Now I want to show you some of the most use case of these languages. JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight programming language commonly used by web developers to add dynamic interactions to web pages, applications, servers, and even games. Developers use HTML and CSS to format the layout of a web page. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language which mostly used in data structures and artificial intelligence. Structured Query Language or SQL is a programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database. In the next videos, we will talk about the difference between databases and what kind of databases is existing in the programming world. Java is a programming language and computing platform, first released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. C Sharp. It's an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft that runs on the .NET frameworks. C Sharp has roots from the C family, and the language is close to other popular languages like C++ and Java. The first version was released in year 2002. The latest version is C Sharp 12 was released in November 2023. Now, let's see some technical words in the programming.